Good morning.
How's everybody feeling today?
Great. Great.
Right, so it's quarterback Monday. You know the deal. Guys, I need your attention, please. John, you here?
Yeah, just move
John,
the box
are
over
you
here,
here?
sir. I'm gonna fall
John, are you
backwards.
physically here?
Yes. I'm trying to move the box here.
John is here, guys. It looks like he's somewhere else, but anyway.
I know where he is.
All right, guys. So this week, right? It's a holiday week, whatever. Kids no school, so we'll see how it will play out. But it works out perfect because my friend Jason, my buddy Jason, is here, and he took his time to fly here for 4 days, 3 days to revamp this app. So we want to take this thing to the next level, and we want to get the store to 1,000 cars. So I truly believe it. The app has a lot to do with it. We're already in the 600s with the reviews. So kudos to you guys. It is going the right direction, but there's room for improvement, okay? And obviously he's made sure, he's my friend and he's my dear friend, he's come here, he'll fly anytime to, reinvest the time and we're gonna take this thing and like I said, this is gonna be like your Bible. So, this app, there's so much behind it that you guys don't really understand it right now, and that's okay, all right? Because me and him have a vision and we want to take this thing to the next level. So this is the flagship store for this app. And we pretty much see what's going on in the back end, the reports and everything like that, and he's going to sit individually to you guys. So I understand it might get busy, but take that 10 minutes, 15 minutes, right? Those 15 minutes could change everything, the way you think about social media, the way you think about reviews and things like that. I get it, it's going to be customers, but take this serious, okay? Because I took it serious a year ago, and look where we got us, right? And this is just the beginning, so we're getting to the next level, and we're starting to get to the next level. So he knows social media a little bit different, a little bit better. We had a decent weekend, but I know we're a little behind on the numbers. But we'll pick it up. We've got 3 weekends left, and all the campaigns are live. Correct, Vivi?
Yes, sir.
So we'll have close to 50 appointments on a daily basis, guys. The expansion is almost done. 2 more weeks, and it looks like it's good to go. So we have a lot of good news that I'll be sharing with you guys later on today once I finish talking to Bobby. But let's just, we'll have, whatever he has to say right now, and then if you're going to break into groups, especially for the new guys, are the ones that are going to be mostly taking this class. And we're going to videotape everything, so we can have it in our records and content as well. All right, Jason, so take it away, buddy.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
All right, guys. Again, hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon. I just want to say thank you very much for all of you for listening to me, because you can shut one ear out, you can shut both ears out, and you don't have to listen to me at all. Okay? You have a choice what you want to do when you're here, from the minute you wake up to the minute you leave out of here. You can do anything you want to do. Okay? It's really truly up to you what you want. If this job isn't what you really want, then you probably shouldn't be here. In other words, let me just lay it out to you. If you're here just to hang out, you're hurting their numbers. Okay? If you're really here to work and to try and to learn, then you're going to gain, you're only going to do better. But if you're just here because you're just here, because it's a store and it's a job and you need to be away from your wife or your kids or your family, whatever reason that you're here, I don't know what your reason is, but I know what my reason is. That my family, my kids, right, my goals, my dreams, right? You all think that, some of you think that, I can only make this much money in the car business. I can only make this much. Well, the only reason you're making so much in the car business is the effort that you're putting in yourself. Numbers don't lie, and numbers will actually don't lie to yourself. In other words, at the end of the day, how many people did you say thank you to? How many people did you send a website to? How many people did you actually send a story about yourself? How many people did you look at the camera and say, Miss Jones, I know you didn't buy today. I want to let you know that, you know what, I'm not here for you. How many people did you ask? How many people? How many people? How many people? So here's the thing. This week, I got 3 people coming in for my company. These are brilliant people. They're brilliant. One of them, CDK Global. He worked for them. Super smart. They're all going to sit down. They're going to tell you what they did. And I got another guy who sold a lot of cars who was the general manager. He knows what he's doing. They got 3 of them. They're going to sit down in a group. We're going to sit down with each of you individually. And we're going to talk about what they did. Because all I care about is what they did so that you understand what they did so maybe you can do better. I'm only here to help you guys See, the difference between another company and somebody else is that somebody else may not care. I care, I'm here. In other words, look, I really do. I pour my heart out to this place. I support you. We share stuff up for you. We share for you. If at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, if Rudy makes a post, right? How many people in this room right now? Let's just count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe there's 15, 20, 30 people in here. If Rudy makes a post at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, how many shares should he have? What's that number? 30. When he speaks, the world should know. When he speaks, 30 people should be shared. Not like, don't go like his stuff. And that like ain't gonna do nothing. That's just acknowledge it. You know it. Who cares if you make a post on Facebook and if they like it? You want them to share it. Why? Because guess what? If you each have 500 friends and there's 30 people on here, how many people will see that? A lot more than others. Nobody, right? What do you think I'm here for? I'm here for that word share. Share. Until you learn what that word share means, share. Will you share my story? Will you share my picture? Will you share my business card? Will you share this? Will you share that? Will you share my video? They come in, the customers come in. You want them to share your story, share your image, share your picture, share anything. Make them share it. Share how great the store is. Let me ask you a question. Just one question. What is Rudy? How many cars does Rudy want to sell?
400.
400? How many does he want to sell?
1,000.
What?
1,000.
Some say 1,000, some say 400. I'm going with 1,000. And I'm sticking to it. And I'm going to stay right there with him until he says, Jason, get out of here. Okay? Because in sales, you know when I gave up? When they said, get out of here. I can't do with you no more. Because I sat there and I pushed that customer and I nailed it and I kept going and going and going. And I never gave up on that customer. I did everything that I could to get that sale. Let me explain this to you right now, okay? You have so much time during your day here. And a lot of it could be very unproductive and a lot of it could be productive depending on who you're dealing with. If you want to hit 1,000, you have to have total productivity. And it's got to be able to be duplicated into another store if you want another store. Is that true?
Yes.
Right? It's got to be able to be duplicated. You can't build another store unless this store is rocking first. Rudy's doing everything that he can, and he's getting his name out there, and he's blowing up all over the country, and people love Rudy, and Rudy's story is powerful. If you think about this, did any of you raise your hand? Did anyone watch this Rudy's video? Please raise your hand if you watched the video. Raise it.
Which video?
Anyone.
Everybody in this room should have raised their hand. How many of you, please don't lie, shared the video? Don't lie. Please raise your hand.
Sometime.
Listen, everybody shares that video. Why? Because if you understand the story, he's trying to understand, as he's building the store up, word's getting around. More people will eventually come in. Because you will be the hero and flagship store all over the United States. Why? Because your story is powerful. Because they think you can't do it. They're saying you guys can't do 1,000 units. They say you can't do 400 units. In a town of 10,000 people, they're doing 1,000 cars a month. And they said you can't do it. There's millions of people here. And they say you can't do it. And when somebody says I can't do it, right? What are we doing in this business? We can do it. The problem is we're not doing it. We're not doing what we're supposed to be doing every single day. From the minute we wake up, I'm telling you like it is. You shaved this morning, didn't you? You shaved. Why did you shave? You shave because you have to look good for the customer. You gotta be, you gotta be ready.